Hello, my name is Fidelma White and I'm the Director of the LLM in Intellectual Property and E-Law at UCC, and I'd like to take this opportunity to talk about the programme with you. You might ask yourself, why would I be interested in doing the LLM, IP and E-Law at UCC? Well, first of all, this Master's programme gives you the opportunity to specialise in these innovative areas of intellectual property and E-Law. And so we're talking about subjects such as copyright, trademarks, patents, and in relation to e-law, issues such as internet regulation, e-commerce and cybercrime, to name but a few. This Master's programme addresses the dynamic interface between law and technology in this fast-moving world, and it feeds into Ireland and its position as the European headquarters for big tech, for companies such as Google and its parent company Alphabet, Facebook, LinkedIn, Apple, Dell, many others. Importantly, this Master's programme is open to both law graduates with the 2-1 degree or equivalent and also non-law graduates. And we've had many non-law graduates in the programme, students perhaps and graduates from programmes in engineering, computer science and technology, who in their professional capacity would come in contact with technology and law. The programme is distinctive in that it's based upon small class teaching. Seminars usually involve 10 to 15 students led by an academic. And one of the unique features of this programme is that it involves or incorporates what we call an IT clinic. Clinics are a feature of legal education at the law school in UCC, and the idea of a clinic is that students get to work in groups under the supervision of an academic to deal with real live problems and issues. And so, for example, startup companies can come to the clinic with problems or questions, and the students have to research the issue, consider problems from a practical perspective, think strategically, teamwork is very important, and then advise the client. The IT clinic also gets involved in policy formation and engagement, and there are also a series of guest seminars where guest speakers come in to speak to the students as part of the clinic. In the clinic and otherwise throughout the whole programme, assessment is not by examination but is run continuously throughout the year, and we have a very lively and active LinkedIn group of our graduates who stay in touch with us and each other. So if I can take this opportunity just to talk a little bit about the LLM programme itself. It comprises 90 credits when taken on a full-time 1-year basis, and so the programme starts in September each year and runs to the following September. There is the option, of course, of taking the programme on a part-time basis over 2 years, in which case students in their first year take 40 credits, and then in their final year, their second year, they take 50 credits, which includes their dissertation. And this option is particularly attractive to people who are in employment and want to continue with their further studies and progress academically. Within the programme, of the 90 credits, there are 30 core credits, that's your dissertation, and then the rest of the programme, the 60 credits, are made up of optional subjects which you can choose from. So, for example, I've mentioned there on the left hand side, you'll see the core credits is the dissertation that comprises a 15,000 word supervised dissertation, where the student gets to pick a subject of their choice that particularly interests them and to research and explore issues in that area under the direction of an academic. The remaining 60 credits then comprise optional modules, a wide range of optional modules, some of which are identified on the right hand side of the slide here, and include modules such as privacy and data protection law, intellectual property law, cybercrime, the IT clinic I've already mentioned, fintech, law and regulation, and e-commerce law, amongst others. Once you've finished the programme, there's a wide range of career options available to you. Many of our graduates go on to do professional examinations such as the FE1s, the entrance exams to Blackhall Place, where they go on to qualify as a solicitor and work perhaps within a law firm. Many more of our graduates, although professionally qualified as either solicitors or barristers, work as in-house counsel. And so all of the big tech firms like Facebook and LinkedIn and Google have lawyers working within the firm. And so this is a growing area of employment, to work as an in-house counsel, where effectively you're working for one client all of the time. A lot of our graduates go on to work in the area of compliance as compliance officers, including in the area of data protection. Indeed, many of our graduates go on to become entrepreneurs themselves and have won innovation awards, national innovation awards. A number of our graduates have continued with their academic studies and have pursued and have completed or are in the process of completing their PhD studies. And so there's a whole range of options available to you once you have completed the programme. If you're looking for more information about the LLM in intellectual property and e-law, please have a look at our link on this slide where you'll get further information, or feel free to email me at f.white@ucc.ie. Thank you for taking the time to look at this video.